Hello everyone, my name is László Szécsi, and I would like to talk about the e-DIPLOMA project. The e-DIPLOMA project is a Horizon project which is not a technical project. It's a social track project which aims to better society and not to develop new technologies. But we are a technical university, so what's interesting about this is that we are how we cope with, working with partners who are not technically minded people, but they are social scientists. And the aim of the project is to investigate disruptive technologies in education like virtual reality, extended reality or augmented reality, video conferencing, multiplayer group activities, gamification, and of course the emerging challenge of AI. And the project aims at creating a new platform showcasing new technologies, but mainly to provide best practices and policies for policymakers on how to make the best use of these technologies. And the project is in the first year, so we've been examining current e-learning ecosystems, and there is a so-called co-creation process, which means that we try to engage with stakeholders and experts, trying to find out what the challenges are and how really these technologies could be used. And then we develop a new online platform with course prototypes, and those course prototypes will be taught to students so that we can evaluate what performance, what outcomes these new technologies enable. And then, of course, at the end, we will need to arrive at some recommendations. So the consortium is, of course, from all around Europe, and there are 3 partners here who are technical partners. And the rest, they are in social sciences. So they would be experts in education, they would be experts in methodologies in evaluating these outcomes. And so we talk quite a different language, I would say, because, intentionally I display here a soup of abbreviations which refer to all kinds of technologies we are considering here, like how we can put all of this in the cloud so that the educational institutes do not need to have their own infrastructure for these tools, how users can be authenticated, how this can be integrated with existing educational systems, and of course what kind of game engine technologies and what kind of graphics technologies can be used. So my research group in particular is concerned with graphics and games, so gamification is our focus here. On the other hand, the social partners here, they are interested in the ethical aspects here. We have to get ethics approvals for research, which we are not used to because we usually do not deal with people really, only machines. And we have to do analysis based on values and organize surveys, talking to experts and workshops. And hackathons are different for them than for us because we believe those are developing software, and they believe they are talking to experts. So we have to somehow match these together, and I believe this is a big challenge for the coordinator, the Spanish coordinators in particular, because they have to facilitate all kinds of communication between the partners so that we see eye to eye. And someone has to take the lead on saying what we need to do so that we can, find out what actually is need to be done in this project. So this is a big opportunity to do a social kind of project, but also a big challenge. So thank you very much for your attention.